Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who struggles with dry, rough skin, you've probably tried your fair share of moisturizers that promise a lot but don't quite deliver. Well, today, I've got something for you that might just change the game. Palmer's Shea Butter Formula Raw African Shea Butter Balm. This is a nourishing body balm designed for rough, dry skin, and I'm here to see if it lives up to its claims. So before we dive into the details, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future beauty reviews like this one. Palmer's Raw African Shea Butter Balm is formulated to tackle some of the most stubborn skin issues, like dryness and roughness, with the power of raw, natural shea butter. This balm is designed to melt into a non-greasy, radiance-boosting oil the moment it touches your skin, delivering deep hydration and long-lasting softness. It's perfect for areas that tend to get especially dry, like elbows, feet, and knees. The formula also contains a few key ingredients like vitamin E, soybean oil, and cocoa butter to help rejuvenate your skin, prevent dehydration, and improve skin tone and texture. In terms of real-world testing, I found this balm to be super easy to incorporate into my routine. The texture is rich but not overly heavy, and it melts right into the skin, leaving a soft, nourished feeling without that greasy residue that some balms can leave behind. I tested it during my morning and evening routines, focusing on areas where my skin tends to get extra dry. After a few uses, I noticed that my elbows felt smoother, my feet were noticeably softer, and my skin had a more even tone overall. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the balm has a luxurious, rich texture that's ideal for dry skin. The blend of shea butter, cocoa butter, and vitamin E really packs a punch when it comes to moisturizing and repairing rough areas. Another pro is that the balm isn't greasy at all, which is a big deal for me. But on the flip side, I'd say that the scent might be a bit strong for some people, especially if you're sensitive to fragrances. It's natural, but definitely noticeable. Now, when it comes to value for money, I think Palmer's has done a solid job here. This 7.25-ounce tub might seem a little pricey at first glance, but considering the high-quality ingredients like raw shea butter and the effectiveness of the formula, I do think it's worth it for those dealing with persistent dry skin. The balm lasts a good amount of time, so the cost per use isn't as high as it might seem initially. Plus, Palmer's is known for creating affordable, effective products. Comparing it to similar products, I've used a few other shea butter-based balms, and I'd say Palmer's stands out in terms of quality and performance. While other brands often feel heavy or greasy, this balm absorbs beautifully and provides long-lasting hydration without clogging pores or leaving a residue. In terms of price, it's positioned in the mid-range, so if you're looking for a high-quality moisturizer without breaking the bank, it's a great option. As for build quality and longevity, I've had no issues. The packaging is simple but sturdy, and the balm has a long shelf life, especially since it's a solid that melts when applied. I also noticed that it stays effective over time, continuing to provide moisture even after hours of application. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't had direct interaction with Palmer's customer support, but they're generally known for being responsive and helpful. If you've had any experience with their customer service, let me know in the comments below. If this balm is a bit outside your budget, there are a few alternatives worth considering. Some brands offer shea butter creams at a lower price point that still deliver great results, though they may not have the same blend of ingredients. Look for ones with a solid base of shea butter, cocoa butter, and vitamin E. Those tend to be the most effective. To wrap it up, Palmer's Shea Butter Formula Raw African Shea Butter Balm is a solid choice for anyone struggling with dry, rough skin. It's effective, absorbs well, and provides noticeable improvements in hydration and texture. If you have persistent dry patches or need a reliable body balm, I think it's definitely worth trying. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.